Okay, I am going to use DecoArt paints to finish this up. I'm not going to talk during the video. I'm just going to let you watch. And I'm going to use their writer tip, the DecoArt writer tip, which is in the video below the link. And it is just screwed onto a 2-ounce bottle that has regular white paint in it, nothing else added to it for the details. And I'm going to paint with a brush to clean these up a little bit. So just having a good time watching. Thanks. Okay, so I just made it nice and whimsical. Added a little bit more color to the wings, some more black, added outlines, dots, squiggles, leaves. Not a whole lot of major artwork. This was done in about 15 minutes, even though I might speed the video up. 15 or 20 minutes I did all of this. So it just gives it a whimsical feel, and you're embellishing a pour that's just kind of ho-hum. So it just gives it a fun feeling. So there it is, and I hope you enjoyed it.